Hey guys, it's Mad Monday again, and today I'm going to show you how to beat the heat using the build time histogram in Autodesk Netfabb. Stay tuned.
Alright, so here we are in Netfabb, and I've already sliced this part previously to get this build time histogram. And this is actually what's going to help us to beat the heat, because it shows you how long each layer is going to take to print. And what you want is this to be sort of a cone shape. And why is that? Well, basically, the higher the part gets, the longer it takes for the heat to flow out through the part into the build plate. So the more heat you accumulate on the top, the longer it takes to flow down. So this shows us that the build time of each layer slowly decreases on the way to the top. And this is sort of the ideal case for your parts. So you don't want this to be sort of rectangular shaped. While this is still okay, it still means that towards the top it will take longer for the heat to flow out, so you might suffer from overheating. So here we have a sort of negative example. As you can see, you have like an inverse cone here, and that's because I actually added an inverse cone. But this is what you want to avoid, having a lot of mass on the top of your build job and little mass on the bottom. So this is sort of the negative example. Try to avoid that. So when you place your part and when you orient it and you slice it, try to check out the histogram here and make sure that you check for a sort of cone shape like this.
So I hope this was helpful for you guys, and if you want to learn more about how to beat the heat, check out episode number 6 of the AMcademy. We will link that, and stay tuned, and I will see you next week.